بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله الأمين. طيب. In today's video, we're going, inshallah, to talk about the last task in chapter 18, which is about the database. In this task, inshallah, or in this video, inshallah, we're going to talk about the label, how to create the query for the label, and how to create the label itself. Let's get started. طيب. This question 17 from the past paper, May-June 2024, variant 22. In this question, they ask you using fields from both tables, produce labels which, just like, as you know, like when we find something like this, which is about the criteria, that means, first of all, we need to create the query. And after that, we need to use this query to produce labels. So the labels also, we need to make sure that the label with the two columns and with the width and height, 9.9 centimeters, 5 by 5 centimeters height. And it should be about 5 rows, 10 labels each. Those are the fields, inshallah. Later on, we're going to use them. As usual, first of all, we need to work with a database, like the database, then the tables. After that, we need to create the relationship between the tables, and after that, we need to come to the question, which is about the label. First of all, we need to select the fields from the label itself. Those are the fields we need to use to create them from the both tables. After that, we can just move down and work with the label itself. So first, we need to go and create the query. For that, we need to go to create, then select query design, open the tables, then it starts selecting the fields using the same sequence that we have here. We have course name, course type, start date, first name, last name, street, address, area, and postcode. So as usual, we have already done that in the previous sessions, starting with a course name. All I need just to click on the field, course type, and start date. Then we have the course type, we have the start date, and so on. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to stop this video till I select all the fields, and I will carry on with that. As you can see here, now I have just selected all the fields, same like the field that we have there up to the postcode. Now the next step, I need to create the criteria. I have the first criteria, which is for the course name. I need to add crop. Which is a course name. So including the criteria crop. Then the course type, it's including the criteria university. Those are two criteria. After that, we need to run the query. So after that, as you can see here, I've just created the criteria. For the first one, include, that's going to be start crops star, and then start crop star, and then university for the course type. After that, we need to run the query. Yes, now all the course type is university, and as you can see here in the course name, it's all include the word crop. So now I need to save the query. We can just leave it add a query in general, or you can just rename it. This is the query is done now. The last step I need from this query, I need to create my form. So I will move just down there. Now I need to select all the fields from the query to start the form. I need to make sure that it is two column. Sorry, I'm talking about a label. Sorry, not a form. To create a label, two columns, three rows, and this is the width and the height. And I need to add the fields same as I have here in this table. How to do that? First of all, I need to click on the query, go to create, and then select labels. Um, so to do that, first of all, I need to go to customized. Let me just delete this first. I want to start from the beginning. So first of all, after I click label, I need to go to customize, then new. It will open for me. This you can just give a name. You can give any name. So after that, you need to add the number of columns. As you can see here, we have number of crosses, 2. That means number of columns. Then the width and the height, it will be with a 9.9 and 5.7. How do I do that? So this is the width, and this is the height. So I need to add the width here. I need to make sure. So the width is 9.9, 9.9 centimeters. Yes, you need to make sure that metrics, that means it's using just like a British measurements, and here 5.7. After that, I need to press OK. It will give you the message that's talking about the margins. You said, hey, OK. Then again, you press OK. Now it's add. This is 5.7 centimeters into 9.9. So this is the width and the height for the label. Now close this. It's being added here. Then press next. Next. Now it's open for me. The label itself, I need to copy the things as they are. Course name in a single line, then course type, start date together, course name, then I can press down, course type, dash, start date, then first name, last name. Sorry, I need to press down. First name, last name, then enter, then street address, then area and postcode. So the same sequence, then area, enter, and postcode. So everything looks the same. Now I need to continue, press next. If they ask you like, yes, are sorted in ascending order of the last name. So need to select last name. This is the order. Next, then I need, if I can just change the name also for this, or you can leave it as it is for the label. Now the label has been created. Yes, this is a label. So now I have a label. After that, they ask you to make some changes, as it's mentioned here. They ask you, you have your name, center number, and candidate number, and you need to make the change for the first two lines to make them large with a large font and center. Now again, I need to go to the label design to make those changes. Yes, first of all, I need to click on the first two lines. Then I need to make some changes. Go to the format, bold, center, and make it, for example, 14. This is the first two lines. After that, you need to go to the report design. You need to add a label. Name, center number, and candidate number. So after that, you can just save the file. Now, if I go to the print preview, yes, see, this is my label. Everything is shown. So now I have how many lines? 1, 2, 3, 4. What I have to do, I need just to change the size of the label from here. I need just to decrease the size till I make sure that the number of labels are correct. Then go to the print preview. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, now I have the 5 labels. This is all about the label. I hope this has been informative for you. Thank you very much. See you next time.